Hi guys, it's Jamie from Not Too Shabby. We are on day 3 for reveals. February 1st is our release day at 9 a.m. Central Time. Today I'm revealing your box of the month. And I'm so excited because I am opening up pre-orders starting today. So if you head on over to the link in the description box, you can grab your box today. I'll be shipping out the boxes early February. When you choose monthly for your box, you save 18% off. You'll get your box delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. You'll receive a free pack of enamel dots and discounted shipping on your first box. So let's dive in. Let's see what's in your box of the month for February. I'm in love with these cute chickens. How about you? So you get a 6x6 stamp set, a 6x8 stamp set, 2 paper pads, 2 packs of coordinating ephemera, and a sampler pack of our A2 card prints. You'll also get a little goodie bag with some enamel dots. If you want to head on over to yesterday's reveal, I go in detail sharing what was in the junior box. So everything you see in the junior box, you will get in your box of the month. You will just get a sampling of the A2 card fronts. In the larger box, you'll get 6 panels of random images, and they are so gorgeous. And don't forget on the back, if you head on over to the shop and want to purchase the full pack, on the back there's sentiments that you can use Teresa's one and done sentiment die with. It's such a handy die and it has beautiful stitching around the edges. I just restocked the die, so it is now in stock. I'll have the link in the description box for you. So let's take a closer look at the 6x6 Clucking Cute Kitchen stamp set. It is adorable. We have adorable chickens stirring up some fun in the kitchen, and the sentiments are really fun. You bake me smile, stirring up something special for you, sending a spoonful of joy, you're extra special, yum, sending you a batch full of smiles, hope your day is delicious and fresh baked. Just so fun and versatile. So I'm going to lay out all the cute ephemera for you really quickly, and then we'll take a look at the other collection.
Sunlight on a checkered cloth, coffee's warm, the day starts soft. Scissors ready, paper spread, good thoughts dancing in my head. A wooden table, stories too. Every piece begins with you. Nothing rushed and nothing perfect, just a little time well spent. If you've had a long day or you're short on time, you're in the right place, you're doing just fine. From the kitchen table, made with heart, simple things are where we start. Cut it layer, glue it down.
Let's share the other items that are in your box of the month. So we have this super cute Berry Sweet Kitchen collection. Absolutely adore this. You guys are going to have so much fun creating projects with this collection. So we have the Berry Sweet Kitchen paper pad. Very cute. We've got 4 of each design, double-sided sheets. There's some lovely wood grain in here. Love the gingham with the strawberries on top, polka dots, strawberries on white, a little strawberry background with the seeds, some green with white polka dots and strawberries, some petite gingham, some of our really pretty signature glitter, some wood grain with the strawberries, and some red glitter. The stamp set is a 6x8 stamp set. This is called Strawberry Kitchen, and it's only available in the box of the month. The link to pre-order your box is in the description box. Boxes are limited, so shop early for the best selection. This is adorable. I had so much fun coloring in these images. We've got a cute little mixer. We've got a toaster. We've got some strawberry milk. We've got a charcuterie board with strawberries, a tea kettle, a basket full of strawberries, a cute little spoon with a bow, and some jam and strawberries. The sentiments read, thinking of you today, love you very much, sweet hello, sweet morning, you're very sweet, you're totally my jam, popping up to say hi, and your day just got sweeter. Super, super fun. Let's look at the 2 cards I did, and then we'll take a look at the ephemera. So I used the sentiment, you're very sweet, and what I did was I paper pieced the mixer and bowl. So it matches the papers that I used. I used a little heart with stitching, and topped it off with some enamel dots from the Strawberry Kitchen collection. And then here's the other one. I used Sweet Morning. I used Lynn's Ultimate Sentiment banner strip for that. And super cute, just made a little cluster within the circle and used some enamel dots from the Sweet Kitchen. So there's red, pink, a cream, a brown, a darker green, and a lighter green. So let me play some music while I lay out all this adorable ephemera for you.
Handmade joy is all around. From the kitchen table, pull up a chair. There's always room for you right here. No rules, no race, no need to rush. Just make something you love so much. Apron strings and gentle tunes.
There's all the super adorable ephemera pieces. I'll be creating a card with this on our live on the 1st at 10 a.m. Central Time, so I hope you join us for our release day party. So here are the cards that I created so far with the box of the month. Had so much fun. I hope you guys do too. Please tag me when you do your creations at #NotTooShabbyShop. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you release day. Bye, guys.
Scraps become something brand new. Every card tells something true. It doesn't have to be just right. It only